Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing yet again Surachate Big Joke Hakpan, currently the Deputy National Police Chief, and yet again there seems to be another story that just, things just seem to go up and down in the narrative ballad that is following Big Joke's career. For those who are watching these and kind of say, why do you comment on him so much? Well, he's an interesting figure. I've been watching him for a long time, ever since he first took over at immigration. That's what brought him onto my radar. And then he's just had such a colorful career since then. It's kind of hard not to comment. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article in the on Thai PBS World. That's thaipbsworld.com. Article is titled, Police General Surachate Summoned in Online Gambling Investigation. Quoting directly, the criminal court today issued a summons for Deputy National Police Commissioner, Police General Surachate Hakpan, for allegedly being involved in laundering money from an online gambling operation. Now, it's interesting to note the others involved in this, and I urge those who are watching this video, go check out that article. There's more detail there. But the others that have also been summoned, or whatever you want to call it, well, not summoned, they've had arrest warrants issued for them. So in Big Joke's case, he's just had a summons issued. Quoting further, the court deemed Surachate to be a high-ranking officer and thus decided to summon him to acknowledge the charges rather than issuing an arrest warrant. Of the 4 facing warrants, 3 are also police officers and 1 is a civilian. So a couple of things here. I think it is noteworthy to point out that he has been summoned, not had an arrest warrant issued. Now, I know they note in that article that this is, and we've seen this before, this was discussed before in the other quote-unquote raid that occurred where they searched him they searched his house on a given morning, and then a summons was issued then as well. As we reported at the time, they went out of their way to note it was not a warrant. It was a summons. I think that's noteworthy, if for no other reason than, an arrest warrant hasn't been issued. It's been a summons. So presumably that would lead one to think that maybe he's not viewed as being as culpable or something. I don't know. It could just be a courtesy being extended here. It's a little bit opaque, difficult for me to say, and I'm not going to speculate on it much further, other than I'm going to say what I said in my last video regarding him, which is, look, I've been watching him for a long time. He is very much a survivor. So, I'm not going to say I have any idea how this thing is going to play out, as it remains to be seen. But, at the end of the day, don't presume anything when it comes to news involving Big Joke.